Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. I know it's been a while since we've had any truck content, but today, Corey, Mr. Lewis, he drives that white truck right there. He's going to be helping me install the mirrors that I bought from him like, maybe 6 months ago. So we are going to be installing these mirrors onto the under the Duramax today. So we're going to do a little install and then a little how-to. We're going to install these mirrors on the truck. As you can see, we already have the first factory mirror off. It's laying right there. Okay. And then, you know, we have all the panels taken off that needs to be taken off in order to remove the mirror. So we're going to go ahead and wire up the driver's side, and then on the passenger side, we will show you all how to install the mirrors.
All right, so these are the trigger wire off of the mirrors for your reverse lights, and your little, when you unlock it, they turn on. I had these previously hooked up in my truck, so the reason there's so many wires coming off is because I bridged this off the other mirror. It's just easier. Just bring it across the bottom of the dash, zip tie it up nice so you can't see it, bridge it off, you know, negative, negative, positive, positive. And then this runs to your reverse or trailer up here in your fuse box. And then I got some nice little fuse ties that go in there and make it look nice and neat. Okay, so in order to get the factory mirror removed, what you're going to want to do is you want to remove this trim piece. You're going to pop this plastic piece out, and then there's a 10 millimeter here, and then there is another 10 millimeter right there where my finger's at. And then you also have two additional here that you need to pull out, and then you're going to pop out this plastic piece, and then on top of your doorknob right here, as far as your lock unlock, you're going to pop that tab out, get that off. And then there's also one more 10 millimeter right where my finger is pointing. You kind of have to, you know, maneuver the door handle itself. And you got clips going all the way around here. And then this plug right here goes to the actual the wiring of the window. And then there's 10 more 10 millimeter bolts to get that out. And then now we're ready to put the new aftermarket mirror in its place. All right, so the wires for your reverse lights need to be ran through this boot right here. You can go to any hardware store and get some flexible PVC, like really small diameter, maybe like small piece of like 3/8 or a ½ inch, just something you can bend. I forgot some, so another thing you can use is a pin like this. As long as it's plastic and it's hollow all the way through, just take a flathead, there's clips in here, just pop these out like that, pop that side off, this side off, take this pin, stick it down in here, squeeze this together, squeeze it down in there, and then just run your wires through the front, pull them out the back right here. Once you get your wires through, just hold on to the wires, slide this back out, back over the wires. All right, you'll have to excuse all the frogs, but I just wanted to give you guys a glance on what these mirrors look at night. They are super bright. So as you can see, the LED light is extremely bright. And then I'll throw the hazards on real quick so you guys can get a look at actual mirrors. Like I said, I wanted to wait till nighttime to give you guys a demonstration, but as you can see, these mirrors are freaking awesome. And out the truck, unlock it, and then look how bright that LED light is. It is super bright. So what we did was we got all the wires ran. I know it's hard to see, but we ran it up under here. There's a little plastic shielding right here. Ran it all the way back behind there, back behind the brake pedal and the gas pedal. And then we took them. And let me see if I can get my cell phone out for you and give you guys a better understanding. But as you can see, here's some of the wiring right here. So there is a bolt right there that I put a little D-ring on and tied all the power, or the ground, excuse me. And then here is the power, and I got it all nice and taped up with a wire nut. So that is the mirrors in a nutshell. As you just saw in the last clip, Corey and I have finished wrapping up the wiring for the mirrors. Everything works good. The reverse lights come on, all the turn signals come on, and now I'm gonna give Corey some camera time to talk about, you know, a little bit about himself, maybe his truck, and then he's gonna start back up his YouTube channel. All right, you're good.
What's up, guys? Corey here. Probably seen me on some of Tyler's videos, trying to do some stuff for his truck, his build. This is my truck. It's a 2011 2500 HD LML. First year of the LMLs. Bought the truck completely stock, one owner out of Pensacola, Florida. Didn't have anything done to it. Took all the body molding off. It's an LTZ truck. Took all the body molding off. Pinstripe, took it off. After that, I did a lift. It's a 7 and 9 full throttle suspension out of Fresno, adjustable kit. I'm running their upper control arms, their Resi shocks. I had the entire suspension powder coated. It was powder coated by Florida Coatings out in Holt. Austin Boyd did that for me. He's a good dude, so if you guys need any powder coating around here, check him out. Wheels are 24x14 American Force Octane. I got them wrapped in 375/40 Nittos. Traction bars, HSP traction bars. I just got a block lift in the back from now. Everything's color matched with the exception of the cab lights and the shark fin for the XM radio. I left that like it is. As far as performance upgrades, it's got a 3-inch PPE downpipe, PPE up pipes. I've done the CP3 conversion. Obviously, my CP4 went out on me, so it's had the CP3 conversion done. I did the SNS Super Sport from them. I have AFE intake, AFE 3-inch boost tubes, Sinister diesel, EGR delete, Sinister diesel intake horn. I'm running a Diesel Addiction Tunes. They're out of Wilmington, North Carolina. Dustin Mintern's the owner. He hooked me up a lot with my CP3 conversion. Answered all my questions, did my tuning for me. So I'm running a 225 tune right now. I got 60 all the way up to 225, 5-position tune. Interior stock. Just put amp steps on it. Running fast 165 pump with beans sump. Pretty much, that's pretty much it. Other plans, future plans, I want to do the Kilderman rear air ride suspension setup, 8 to 10. That's in the future at some point. And then some interior stuff, stereo, but basically that's it. Everything else is pretty much how I want it.
So if you guys are interested, I'm going to have down the link in the description, A, to his Instagram, and B, if you want to check out his channel. He's going to get back into doing YouTube channel, and you guys can follow his build and follow his story. Corey obviously, you know, doesn't just work on Duramax. He's had many projects throughout his life, and now he just wants to capture everything and get back into YouTube channel. So like I said, his Instagram will be down in the description along with his channel. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys turn on your post notifications, hit that subscribe button, and leave this video a big like, or smash that like button, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Alright guys, so after an all-day event with the downpipe and the exhaust, we finally, Corey and I were able to finish the exhaust. So here we go. Here's the first startup of the new 5-inch Flow Pro no muffler exhaust.